Hey guys, it's Jeff with Simply Derivative, and here's the daily recap video. It's Friday, June 8th, 2018, and we're wrapping up the week here. Looking at the ES, we had a nice day trade on uh, this 60-minute chart this morning. Before we get to that, I want to talk about this overnight level we had down here at the 2753 area. So basically what happened yesterday, market pulled back into this area, rallied back up close to the highs, and then sold off overnight and actually came down. S&P was down 16, 17 points overnight and came right into this area from the previous day, 2 days ago. And we had this marked off, and we're waiting for this, and we're hoping that it was going to come in and hit this level during the day session, but didn't. Came in overnight. This specifically came in at 2 o'clock in the morning Pacific time. We're definitely not on the computer at that time, but nonetheless, you can see nice of a trade that was. A couple points worth of risk, all the way back up towards these highs, which is 75, let's call it. It's about 20 points on the S&P. So it's a very nice swing trade, day trade. We weren't able to grab it, but we saw the markets rally up and hit this area where it kind of broke down overnight, and we saw that as an opportunity to get short, and we pulled off targets, 3 points and 5 points on the ES, and we were done trading for the day. So that happened at about 8 o'clock, and we were done, within an hour. And so not a bad day, pretty good week. Able to grab a few points out of the markets. And one other trade, again, this happened overnight. Weren't able to grab it, but the NASDAQ, similar situation, was actually leading and has been the weakest of the markets the past couple days. But same story, markets sold off yesterday, rallied back a bit, sold off again overnight, and it came down right into the 7,080 level on the NQ. But we weren't able to grab it. It was 2 o'clock in the morning, same time the S&P hit. So, but a good level nonetheless, and you can see how that worked out. We were hoping to grab this one during a day session, so we weren't. There's going to be plenty of other opportunities here coming up. So that's it for this week, guys. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and we'll see you here next week, bright and early on Monday morning. Take care.